Okay, before we start, this is not a filter. I'm actually trapped in here right now. I'm inside the system. But I had to come here because this is where the network lives. And if networking has ever felt like memorizing spell books instead of understanding systems, that's because no one's ever showed you this part before. And somewhere along the way, networking education turned into trivia night. Acronyms, port numbers, just remember this for the test. Meanwhile, packets are bouncing around in here like feral cats. This isn't a certification dump. This isn't trivia night. This is networking for humans. Because routers don't care what you memorized, and firewalls don't care how confident you sounded on practice exams. The system only cares what you actually understand. We don't memorize spells here. We just learn how the machine behaves when things go wrong. At 3 a.m. Networking. Explained to you like you're a human being, not a Scantron sheet. So help me get out of here, and welcome to the system.